So we're going to talk about troubleshooting. Part of that is just a very brief overview of IPsec itself. IPsec is, as you all know, I'm sure, is a way of doing site-to-site data center connections between partners who are not one organization, or there's not a complete trust profile. So you want to set in place, number one, you want to have encryption over the internet. And then you also want to set in place policies that limits what you will show from your network and limits what you will see from their network. This is done, two key elements of it is the first part of the communication, which is called Internet Key Exchange, is done over UDP 500, UDP port 500. So obviously that has an impact on your security groups, and we went over security group best practice at the last session. And then depending upon whether you're going to use what's called Nat Traversal, which means that one or more of the IPsec devices appears to be behind a gateway. It's not an internet edge device. You then would use what's called Nat Traversal, and that is basically the IPsec protocol encapsulated inside of UDP port 4500. Or you could be using native IPsec, which is its own protocol. So it's not port 50, it's protocol 50. The name of the protocol is ESP. So ESP sits on top of the IP stack, so it's comparable to TCP or UDP. It's its own protocol, ESP.